Nilfisk introduces the MH3M and 4M series of hot water pressure washers. A highly mobile machine that can easily be transported and moved around in your facility or used as a stationary unit. The 4 big wheels and the good center of gravity make the machine easy to move, and the clever design of the gun and lance holder ensures to keep everything safe and protected during transport. MH3M and 4M are developed to ease the everyday cleaning job for our customers. The machines are easy and simple to use, and not to forget, highly reliable workhorses that you can count on day in and day out. The machines are the ideal choice for general cleaning using both hot and cold water, battling cleaning challenges from mud, animal manure, to road dirt, oils, and greases. Both machines come with 3 durable ceramic pistons, ensuring you high quality. MH4M is the right choice for the extra tough cleaning challenges, with a larger water flow, higher pressure, and the efficient EcoPower boiler. The EcoPower boiler ensures an even higher boiler efficiency, saving both the environment and your fuel costs, giving you an improved total cost of ownership. An additional saving to the environment is the Eco Mode function setting. Cleaning in this mode ensures the most fuel-efficient temperature setting for the boiler, a benefit for both you and the environment. On the MH3M and 4M, everything has its perfect place, ensuring easy access to all accessories, as well as maintenance and inspection areas. Couplings, fuel tank and flow regulation, everything is simple and easy to reach. An onboard diagnostics function and an LED display on the MH4M will inform about maintenance warnings, thus avoiding any downtime, leaving you with a machine that is always ready to do the job. The MH3M and 4M series provides you with the well-known Nilfisk quality combined with a best-in-class design, giving you the mobility to work anywhere.